Omicron variant. Meaning the Omicron variant is a COVID-19 virus that is a variation of the COVID. The B.1.1.529 variation, often known as the Omicron variant, is a colloquial name for what is properly known as the B.1.1.529 variety. A viral variation is a new strain of a virus that has evolved as a result of a mutation or series of mutations in the virus's genomic structure. As of late 2021, the use and understanding of the moniker Omicron variation became increasingly prominent, particularly in news stories and public health messaging, including those regarding whether it may possibly be more infectious or severe than previously identified variants, such as the Delta variant. What is the subvariant of the Omicron? The word Omicron subvariant refers to the BA.2 subvariant, subtype, of the Omicron variant, which is the most prevalent use of the term. In informal use, the BA.2 subvariant is referred to as stealth Omicron, or the stealth variant, since it is more difficult to differentiate from other variants in laboratory experiments than the other subvariants. However, this does not rule out the possibility of detection altogether. The usage of nicknames such as stealth Omicron, according to public health authorities and medical professionals, might promote fear and confusion regarding variations of the virus. As a result of its success in replacing the original Omicron variety as the dominant strain in certain areas, the BA.2 variant came under increased public health scrutiny and media attention in the early months of 2022. According to certain research, the BA.2 variety is even more transmissible than the already highly transmissible original Omicron version, which is already extremely transmissible in its own right. According to the available data, the BA.2 variation does not seem to produce any more severe sickness than the original Omicron form. First-generation experiments have shown that immunization against the BA.2 subvariant is as effective against the original Omicron variant as it is against the BA.1 variant. The BA.2 subvariant is merely one of the subvariants of the Omicron variant, which includes the BA.1 and BA.2 subvariants. These subvariants feature additional mutations that were not present in the original variant, but they are nevertheless sufficiently comparable to be classified as a single variation rather than as two different variants.